1.1 million suffer from some form of psoriasis. Very stressful. In this video, I'm going to give you a very interesting approach how to absolutely heal 100% if you're suffering from psoriasis. As I indicated before, research here in the UK has proven, data as at 2022, out of 68 million UK residents, 1.1 million, I'll say that again, 1.1 million suffer from some form of psoriasis. Now, the most common psoriasis and the most debilitating one is what they call plaque, P-L-A-Q-U-E, psoriasis, because it's basically like a plaque of skin which is diseased, and it's like a huge lump of skin like that, totally red, itchy, very stressful, very debilitating, and you can't wear proper clothing. You're scaling like a snake. And I've seen cases where they're covered from head to toe, right? So we have what I call a patient education chart. That's what it looks like, right? Believe it or not, we've done 45 years of work on this, and we know that the colon, right? The colon, which is the ascending colon, the appendix is here, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid, and out. The colon is the most important organ to detoxify so that you clear your psoriasis. We know exactly when we photograph your eyes, we will be able to see the toxic level in the colon. Again, appendix, ascending, transverse, descending, sigmoid, out. When we look at these colors, where we see the toxicity, like for example here or here or here, we can tell which part of the colon is terribly toxic or not. We can then show you how to get rid of the rubbish and the toxicity in the colon. Could be 30 years old. We'll teach you exactly with the unique system we have developed, the only one in the world. We've developed a system to clear not just the colon but the full intestines, the stomach and so on. And by using that system, we clear the colon over a few months, and you will see progressively your psoriasis will disappear. It will give you tremendous relief after even decades of psoriasis. We have got results within, say, 8 to 16 weeks. Right? It doesn't take overnight, but with our unique treatment, we get results. So what I'd strongly advise you do, subscribe to the channel and work your way through it, and contact us. It's called planetwellness.co.uk. Contact us through that, and we will show you exactly what to do to get rid of psoriasis permanently.